Welcome to this video on how to trade like a pro. Trading can be a highly profitable venture, but it can also be risky if you don't know what you're doing. In this video, we'll share some tips on how to trade like a pro, so you can increase your chances of success and minimize your risks. 1. Start with a plan. Before you start trading, create a plan that outlines your goals, strategies, risk tolerance, and exit points. Stick to your plan and adjust it as needed to ensure that you stay on track. 2. Do your research. Knowledge is power in trading. Research the markets, companies, or assets you plan to trade, and keep up to date with relevant news and trends. Use technical analysis tools to identify trends, support and resistance levels, and potential entry and exit points. 3. Manage your risk. Successful traders know how to manage their risk. Set stop-loss orders to limit your losses, use proper position sizing to avoid overtrading or undertrading, and diversify your portfolio to spread your risk. 4. Keep your emotions in check. Emotions can cloud your judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. Stay disciplined, follow your plan, and don't let fear, greed, or FOMO, fear of missing out, drive your trading decisions. 5. Learn from your mistakes. Trading involves both wins and losses. Learn from your mistakes, analyze your trades, and use the insights to improve your strategies and decision-making. Conclusion: trading like a pro takes time, effort, and discipline. Stick to your plan, do your research, manage your risk, keep your emotions in check, and learn from your mistakes. With practice and perseverance, you can become a successful trader. Thank you for watching.